Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cream liqueur. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of Irish whiskey, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. Make sure everything is at room temperature for smooth blending. Now let's get blending. Pour the heavy cream, sweetened condensed milk, whiskey, instant coffee, vanilla extract, and almond extract into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on medium speed for about 30 seconds. You want a smooth, uniform consistency. Be careful not to overblend, as this can make the cream too thick. Once blended, give your cream liqueur a taste test. If you prefer it sweeter, add a little more condensed milk. For a stronger coffee flavor, add a pinch more instant coffee. Carefully pour the liqueur into a clean, airtight bottle. Store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 2 months. Shake well before serving. Your delicious homemade cream liqueur is ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled over ice for a classic experience. It's also fantastic in coffee, as a base for creamy cocktails, or drizzled over ice cream for a decadent dessert. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Cheers to your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.